Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo Pickleball Paddles, including the Halo Pro and Halo Control models, are high-performance paddles designed to deliver exceptional spin, precision, and consistency on the court. Both paddles feature a carbon fiber face paired with a RevCore Power polymer core, offering a balance of power and control. The carbon fiber surface enhances ball spin and durability, while the polymer core ensures a responsive feel and consistent performance. The Halo Pro focuses on advanced power and spin, making it ideal for aggressive players who prioritize offensive playstyles. In contrast, the Halo Control emphasizes precision and touch, catering to players who rely on strategic placements and finesse. These paddles are engineered for comfort and versatility, suiting players of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned competitors. Their lightweight design and ergonomic grip allow for extended play without fatigue, ensuring excellent maneuverability and control during fast-paced matches. Built with advanced materials and innovative construction, the SLK Halo paddles provide an edge in gameplay, particularly in executing spin-heavy shots and maintaining consistency under pressure. Whether you prefer power, control, or a mix of both, these paddles are tailored to elevate your performance. In summary, the SLK Halo Pickleball paddles offer a premium combination of spin, power, and precision. With the Halo Pro for power-focused players and the Halo Control for those emphasizing accuracy, they cater to a wide range of playstyles. Their carbon fiber construction and RevCore Power polymer core make them a reliable choice for anyone looking to enhance their game. Number 2. This USAPA-approved pickleball paddle is designed for players seeking quality, durability, and performance in their game. Featuring a fiberglass surface, the paddle offers a perfect balance of power and control, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced players. The fiberglass face enhances shot accuracy and provides a lightweight feel, allowing for better maneuverability during fast-paced games. The paddle's polymer honeycomb core ensures excellent durability and shock absorption, reducing vibrations for a more comfortable grip and controlled play. This design is especially beneficial for maintaining precision during extended matches. It also contributes to a quieter game, making it ideal for use in community courts or noise-sensitive areas. Included with the paddle is a protective cover, which helps maintain its quality and protects it from scratches or damage when not in use. The paddle is versatile, designed for outdoor play, and caters to both men and women of varying skill levels. Its ergonomic grip enhances comfort and reduces fatigue, allowing players to maintain focus and perform at their best during prolonged matches. The paddle's lightweight construction further aids in reducing arm strain while ensuring powerful and accurate shots. In summary, this fiberglass pickleball paddle combines durability, precision, and power. It is USAPA approved, ensuring compliance for competitive play, and comes with a protective cover for added convenience. Whether you're playing recreationally or competing, this paddle offers a reliable and well-balanced option for players of all skill levels. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an excellent all-in-one set designed for players of all skill levels, providing everything needed to enjoy pickleball. This bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleball balls, and a carrying bag for convenience and portability. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face paired with a polymer RevCore, offering a perfect balance of power, control, and durability. The graphite surface enhances responsiveness and shot accuracy, while the polymer core provides a soft feel and reduces vibration for greater comfort during play. These paddles are lightweight, making them easy to handle and ideal for prolonged matches without causing arm fatigue. The bundle also includes 3 pickleball balls, designed for consistent performance and durability across outdoor or indoor games. The balls deliver reliable bounce and flight characteristics, ensuring quality gameplay. A carrying bag completes the set, offering a practical solution for transporting and storing your paddles and balls. This makes it convenient for players on the go, whether heading to practice or matches. In summary, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a well-rounded option for recreational or beginner players. The graphite paddles with polymer cores provide excellent playability, while the included balls and bag ensure you're fully equipped for the game. It's a great value bundle designed to enhance your pickleball experience. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a versatile and high-performance paddle designed to meet the needs of players across all skill levels. Featuring a graphite carbon fiber face, this paddle offers exceptional responsiveness, power, and control. The lightweight graphite surface enhances maneuverability, allowing players to execute precise shots with ease. The paddle is equipped with a cushion comfort grip, providing a secure and ergonomic hold for extended play without discomfort. This grip reduces vibration and enhances control, ensuring players can maintain optimal performance even during intense matches. Built for both power and finesse, the paddle's polymer honeycomb core provides excellent durability, a soft touch, and reduced noise. This makes it suitable for both recreational and competitive play, while its quiet design is ideal for community settings. Weighing around 7.8 to 8.2 ounces, the Mod Z5 balances power and control, making it an excellent choice for players looking to enhance their gameplay with a paddle that can adapt to various playstyles. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even with regular use. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 paddle is a top-tier choice for players who value a lightweight, high-performance paddle with excellent grip and control. Its graphite carbon fiber face, cushion comfort grip, and polymer core deliver a perfect blend of power, precision, and comfort, making it a reliable option for all levels of pickleball enthusiasts. Number 5. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle is a well-balanced option, designed to provide players with a combination of power, control, and durability. It features a reinforced fiberglass surface, which enhances shot precision and adds a powerful pop to the ball for aggressive gameplay. The fiberglass face ensures reliable performance, making it suitable for players of all skill levels, from beginners to intermediates. At the core of the paddle is a honeycomb polypropylene core, offering excellent durability, lightweight handling, and reduced vibrations. This core design ensures consistent performance with a soft feel, making it comfortable for extended use while also minimizing noise, ideal for recreational or community court settings. The paddle is ergonomically designed for comfort and ease of use, with a balanced weight that provides excellent maneuverability without sacrificing power. This makes it versatile for various play styles, whether focused on finesse or aggressive hitting. In addition to its performance, the paddle boasts a sturdy construction that can withstand regular play, ensuring long-term reliability. Its lightweight nature allows players to maintain better control and quicker reactions during fast-paced matches. In summary, the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle is a great all-around choice for players seeking a paddle with a fiberglass surface for power and a polypropylene core for comfort and consistency. Its user-friendly design, durability, and balance between power and control make it ideal for recreational and competitive players alike.